abundance flows effortlessly into my life. I am a magnet for prosperity and wealth. Every day I am attracting more and more financial abundance. I deserve to be wealthy, and I accept abundance into my life now. Money comes to me easily and frequently. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I attract money with every breath I take. Wealth constantly flows into my life in surprising and wonderful ways. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. My mind is a powerful magnet for financial prosperity. I release all resistance to attracting wealth. I am financially abundant, and I live a life of luxury. Every dollar I spend comes back to me multiplied. My bank account is overflowing with money. I attract lucrative opportunities effortlessly. Wealth and prosperity are my birthright. The universe is conspiring to make me wealthy. I am worthy of receiving great wealth. I am a money magnet, and abundance is drawn to me. I am open to receiving wealth from multiple sources. I radiate financial abundance wherever I go. I am financially independent and secure. Money flows to me from expected and unexpected sources. I am grateful for the abundance that is flowing into my life. My income is constantly increasing. I have a millionaire mindset, and I attract millionaire results. My wealth is growing exponentially every day. I attract wealth effortlessly by being my authentic self. I am a master at creating wealth and abundance. My wealth allows me to live a life of freedom and fulfillment. I attract prosperity with each positive thought I think. I deserve to live a life of financial abundance. I am aligned with the energy of abundance, and it flows freely to me. I attract financial opportunities with ease. Money flows to me in avalanches of abundance. I release all limiting beliefs about money and embrace my abundance.